Practice is the most important, and practice is a key of what you want to achieve in your life. Practice can make your way ahead. The topic is I'm going to talk about why we are afraid to face our fear and how it's important to face our fear to become more confident. And what I observed in my life, what is the biggest reason to have a fear? First of all, what is the fear? There is no definite and perfect definition of fear, but it's fact that every person has their own kind of fear, no matter whether they are successful or not. It differs person to person. I want to share two types of fear. First is physical fear and second is psychological fear. As per me, psychological fear is a kind of illusion when you want to do something and you think about if you would do this thing and then what people would say about it. It needs nothing to do. It needs only acceptance of reality, and according to me, acceptance of reality is the most significant thing in every person's life. If you can make difference what is related to reality and what is your imagination, then you can overcome this fear. What is the physical fear? And sometimes physical fear is related to reality. It needs planning, learning, knowledge, and understand that thing you were doing. And if your fear is related to what you are doing, then it needs only this fear overcome by practice. I consider practice is the most important, and practice is a key of what you want to achieve in your life. Practice can make your way ahead. Without practice, if you anticipate without practice you can only anticipate things what you want to achieve. It will never possible to get. And the next thing I want to share, and what I have observed in my life, that what is the biggest reason to have a fear? When you are holding something in your present life, it can be your memory which is related to your past. Doesn't matter it is good or bad memory. It can be your particular statement, it can be your particular way of thinking. It means you are living your life with burden. It means you are living your life with burden, and it affects your actions, and you would stuck on because of it. You would stuck on one place, and it can become your fear. Your fear is being made you mental disabled to take any kind of decision which is important in your life. Your actions are affected by this because your body is controlled by your brain. You take action, brain's instructions, so design your mind to do things which is scary, difficult, and uncertain. Stop design your mind to protect us from those things, because life is not about to stuck on one place. Life is about to growing up. So according to me, feel free and be free and make others free. Thank you for listening me.